Lose the fat and learn what naturally skinny people never will. I lost 42 kilos, and in this video, I am going to tell you why losing fat will make you better, will make you stronger than people who have been skinny their whole lives. If you want to know more about my fat loss journey, go in the description and check out my free PDF that I made. And also, I want to know you better. I want to know my audience better so I can make videos that actually help you. So, if you want to transform your body in 2026, comment 2026. I will get in touch with you and we will do a free one-on-one call when you can ask me anything and I will help you. I realized that for people to make a drastic change, first they have to hit rock bottom. And until they hit this rock bottom, they will just stay in this like comfort zone their whole lives. Good enough job, good enough life, good enough body, good enough girlfriend, all this bullshit. You have to hit rock bottom to bounce back from it. But a lot of people don't do that and they just stay here. Let me tell you my story with this rock bottom. I was fat my whole life. I never took off my shirt in front of people. I thought that me missing out on pool parties and jacuzzi parties was just like a part of life. I was not living a full life, but it was kinda okay. It was not painful enough. And then COVID hit. Before COVID, I was diagnosed with lactose intolerance. So I went to see this dietitian. And she told me that lactose intolerance is only the first step. This can go into you having diabetes, she said, and also not being able to have children. And at that moment, I just froze. Because having children is something I really want. I want to have 3 children. And I don't know if she knew this, but that really hit a pain point in me. I was like, fuck. Now this is really painful. I really have to change this. This is what started my whole fat loss journey, this hitting rock bottom, this realization that I cannot have children. I want to spare you from hitting rock bottom, but I want to wake you the fuck up. So I wrote down a few facts. These are meant to scare you. These are meant to motivate you. I'm not trying to be mean. These are facts for you to wake the fuck up, okay? If you stay fat, you can live up to 10 years less than other people. You have a 3 times higher chance of death by infection. You spend $2,000 to $3,000 more per year, every year. That's money out of your pocket. You have a higher chance for 13 types of cancer. You have a higher chance of blindness. And the most important, and this is not statistics, you will never live a full life, a whole life. Trust me, I know. You will always compromise. You will live like a ghost. I hope I scared you a bit. And I know it was tough, but I hope this gave you some motivation, some momentum to get started. Now let's skip forward. What happens when you lose the fat? You learn that you can take action of your life. You learn that you are in control of your life. It's not outside circumstances. It's not other people. It's not fucking genetics. It's not the food. It's not the government. It's not Donald Trump. It's you. You are in control. Through this fat loss journey, if you change your body, you can learn discipline, you can learn mental strength, and this is the thing that a lot of skinny people never learn. You will experience the highs and lows in this journey. You will experience being really down, but you will also experience being really proud of yourself when you step on the scale and you realize that you lost 10, 20 kilos. And this will have this good feeling with you. You will go through this whole journey, and this journey will teach you to take action of your life. But this is only the beginning. If you learn that taking action, taking control results in reaching the goal that you want, then you can reach any goal that you want. For me, this was the catalyst. I lost 42 kilos. Then I was like, what else can I change in my life? Oh, I can date attractive girls because if I practice cold approach, if I practice talking to girls, then I can get the girls that I want. Okay, tick. Then I can run a half marathon. Why not? So I was training for a half marathon. I ran a half marathon. Fucking did it. Next one. I hate my 9-to-5 job. I can leave my 9-to-5 job. Tick. I did it. I can move wherever I want in the world. So I moved to Southeast Asia. Currently I'm in Bali. Tick. I've done it. I can start my business. I can be my own boss. Tick. I've done it. hence this YouTube channel. You see how this transcends, you see how this goes from one thing to the other. All because of the realization that I am in control. I can do whatever I want. And I could only learn this by losing all this fat. Just watch your life change and watch skinny people stay stagnant because they haven't reached this pain point. They haven't reached this rock bottom, and it's good for them. I don't want anything bad for skinny people. I don't want anyone to suffer. But you have to reach the lows. You have to reach the really lows, the pain points, the deep points for you to change. Because running from something is maybe even stronger than running towards something. If you know what you don't want anymore, it's just a hard and just a strong motivation as knowing what you want. I knew that I don't want to be fat anymore because then I cannot have children, then I cannot live a whole life, I cannot date attractive girls, I cannot take my shirt off. This was my motivation. This is what I don't want. And I'm willing to do anything to change this. And then I did. And I was like, actually that was easier than I thought. Then, okay, what's next? What can I do? What can I achieve? The sky's the fucking limit. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. Because I know that if I changed my body, if I transformed my body, and if I'm watching people right now in my life cannot fucking recognizing me, I can fucking do anything. I can be whoever I want. Because I've done this. There was this big obstacle in my life. Me being fat. And it's out of the way now. So what else? Give me the next challenge. You might think now that you are less than other people. First of all, let me tell you, this is fucking bullshit. You are not less than other people. If you have a body like this, that doesn't mean that you are less than other people. You can change this. You were not born this way, you became this way. But if you became this way, you can become anything else. It only requires daily action, daily action. Calorie deficit, sleeping 8 hours, going to the gym. I'm not gonna start, you probably know all this. Check out my other videos as well if you want to know the exact steps on how to lose fat. I'm not talking about this. If you take daily action, you change this. And then you are like, fuck, I can have the life that I desire. It just requires daily action. If I want to start my business and if I want to quit my 9 to 5, then I will save up money every month till I can quit my 9 to 5 job. I want to start my business. Okay, what kind of business that I want to do? Okay, how does this look on a daily basis? I knew I wanted to record YouTube videos all the time. So instead of just procrastinating and sitting around, I was like, I'm fucking sitting down 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and I'm recording YouTube videos. Because this will lead me to getting the goals that I want in my life. And if you are in this mindset, that okay, changing, what's next? Progress. You can fucking reach and change anything in your life. And you just watch all the skinny people being comfortable, being nice, being okay, not changing, just living their whole life, their 70, 80 years in just this like comfort zone. But your life will be like this, ups and downs. But this is the fun of the whole journey. You have to experience these lows. Maybe your first business will fall off. Maybe your first girl that you approach will slap you in the face. But this is a way of learning. This is a way of taking risks. Skinny people who never take risks will never learn that. And it's not bad to be rejected. It's not bad to fail. This is what you learn. But now you are at rock bottom. You are here. But you can go here. It's really, really easy. And this will give you the momentum. This will give you this boost. This will give you this energy to do what you want to do with your life. So let's start making a change together in 2026, okay? Because again, this is just the first step. Comment 2026. Let me help you. Let's have a call. And then download my free PDF, start this fat loss journey. And I'm really, really happy you were here with me today. If I could lose the fat, you can lose the fat as well. I'm not special. You can do it. So thank you for being with me today and see you in the next episode. Ciao.